I am hosting a trip to Iceland and 10 of you girlies have the opportunity to come with me. We will be going from October 22nd to the 29th because October is the prime time, chef's kisses if you will, to catch the northern lights, which by the way, we will have multiple opportunities of catching, which means we could possibly see the northern lights multiple different ways. To give you a quick little glimpse into what the itinerary is like, we will be going, me and you, we will be walking through an ice cave. The whole cave, the whole thing is just ice. It's beautiful blue ice. We will get to look down at a volcanic rift and straddle two tectonic plates. Now I'm not really too sure what the straddling part involves, but yeehaw, it sounds like fun. We will see so many springs, so many waterfalls. Oh my god, and we get to swim in the blue lagoon. You know the iconic milky blue water? With like the steam, I don't know what it is, smoke, steam, I don't know. We could just swim in that. This trip is genuinely once in a lifetime opportunity. It is going to be so empowering because it's going to be a group of women that I know are badass. We're going to travel in what I think is one of the most beautiful countries in the world, go on so many adventures, eat amazing food, get to know each other. I'm gonna finally get to meet some of you. Like what? I'm unwell. I'm gonna cry. If you want to come to Iceland with me, I have put the link in my bio to where you can check out the itinerary and book a spot. Keep in mind, you only need to put down 25% to book a spot. I did just reach out to a ton of women that I already know are interested in going to Iceland, so if you want to book a spot, I would do it ASAP. I'm so excited.